What's up guys, just a quick one today. I've got 2 Sword and Shield booster packs to open, so let's get into it. As always guys, I collect the codes, so sorry about that. 2, 3, 4. Okay, Water Energy, Raboot, Yaboot, Sudowoodo, Hop, Joltik, Salandit, Clobbopus, Ghastly, that's a cute picture, Rookidee, Reverse Sobble, and Drampa. He looks like the guy from Neverending Story, is it? And final pack is a, what is it, Zeshi? I can't remember his name. Zamazenta? It could be Zamazenta. Oh, did I? No, I didn't do it yet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Psychic Energy, Dottler, Potion, Hitmonchan, that's really cool. Is that Hitmonlee on the mountain? Yeah. Sizzlipede, Snom, that's a cute name. Snom nom nom. Mawile, Gossifleur, Goldeen, Galarian Zigzagoon, it's a reverse, it's nice. Is that? It's just a common. And Inteleon, no holos for me today. He's a rare non-holo. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed that little tiny pack opening there, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks, bye!